Hey, let's do some probability. So we've got each raffle ticket costs 50p and Sophie sells 400. That means we can work out the money made. It's going to be 400 times 50p. I can just change that into pounds. So it's going to be 0.5 pounds. And therefore, the money made is going to be 200 pounds. Okay, now we need to work out the money lost. We've got the probability that a ticket winning a prize is 0.1. So expected number of prizes I'm basically saying that every one-tenth of the tickets will win a prize. So it's going to be 400 times 0.1, which gives 40 of the tickets to win a prize. And because each winning ticket receives a prize worth £3, the expected outgoings, let's say, will equal 40 times 3, which is £120. So profit, I should say actually expected profit, will actually equal 200 minus 120 equals £80. This is less than Sophie's prediction.